Good day, everybody. Welcome to this video. On this video, we are going to talk about FastAPI Cloud. FastAPI Cloud is a cloud system that's still on a beta stage. As you can see here, you have to join the waitlist to actually get access to it. So here, I've been given access to it. I'm here to actually show you how it feels and how it looks like. It actually looks like every other cloud system on a beta stage, building, deploying on your own from your own terminal or your CLI, and then checking it out on a web-based system that's being hosted in the cloud. So you can actually view what you are building live, and maybe after you have finished testing on your local system, and then you can now deploy it, and then you can just use Fast API deploy, and then you can now push it to the web, and then you can actually test run it outside there and share it with any whoever that you wanted to help you test run it, not just allowing it to sit on your local host while you're actually building. There are other ways you can actually like test your API and build before now, but I think this makes it easier, since if you're actually working with Fast API, you could easily deploy your API to production, semi-production, or whatever you could call it, and then you can actually like test it from there. So yeah, this is it. Yeah, I have the what's it called? I've been given access to a quick start, and then you could actually view guide. This is the view guide. I think I already have it open there. You could check the log and the log of the system that you have already deployed. My network is taking time. So let's actually look at the quick start. So practically they are using UV for the new package management that Python that was introduced, I think late last year or early last year. So I'm a fan of UV as well. You can easily do UV add, and then it will add a module or a dependency for you on your project. So they are using UV, and then you can actually like build by simply doing UV and fast API new, and then my app. Then you can now CD into your app, and then if you don't have Python already, you can tell UV that I want to use Python 3.11 majorly for this project. So UV can actually like make sure that it dedicates a particular version of Python for your project. And then that's one thing good about UV. You can use different version of Python on different project that you're working on, and then it wouldn't conflict with maybe the locally installed Python version on your host system. So you could actually do this, and then you could just copy this. I think this is just on the quick start. So this is where you're activating your virtual environment. You're activating your virtual environment. So after you have maybe the demo. I think I have the demo app build here. So this fast API, this is my main what I should actually be showing you from the API. This is a simple message I have here, and then this is my projector, so where I could actually add other dependencies, and then it's actually using the latest version, because when I was actually like setting it up, I didn't specify this. I didn't actually say use this. I just told him already. Once you didn't tell it anything, it's probably going to route to the latest version of Python, and then I think that's why it's actually like pointing to this. But I don't have Python 3.13 requires Python. I don't think I have this on my local host, so I think I'm using 3.10. I don't think I've even upgraded. Is it 3.10? Yeah, I think 10 is what I have here. So yeah, immediately you have activated your virtual environment, you can easily say fast API deployed, as it stated here. That once you do it, it's actually going to require you to log in from your CLI, from your command prompt. I think I set it up here, but I was actually using this place. So you could actually like prompt it to sign in. So this is where I did fast API deploy, and then it required that I should log in, and then log in. I said, okay, the first time I did it, I was actually not paying attention, and then it timed out. So the second time I did it again, I logged in, it authenticated. Yeah, then when you are actually like setting it up, I think you pick up the name of the directory. I think he actually asked me to change the directory, but I didn't actually change it. So he now picked up the directory I wanted it to pick, that I'm currently working on, and then picked up everything, and then does everything look right, and then deploys it. This is it, checking the status of your deployment, building complete, and everything. So after you have finished deploying, your app goes here. So let's go here. Let's follow the link. So you can see my API, my message here. Okay, so let's change something here. Let's just do hello. Sorry, can I type fast API? Let's save this. So let's do deploy again. It's not, I don't think it's going to actually do the other step that I did before. So it's just going to go directly to deploying, and then, and as this thing is working on the background, I think, I don't know, this have not actually, oh, so I should go home. Actually that time, that as you can see, is detecting that there is a build ongoing. So I think it's detecting there's a build ongoing, so everything is not green here. So once it's finished building, I would have actually showed you from here, from the app side. So I was supposed to have actually shown you how it would have, how it looks like before I actually do that second deploy. So it's actually built, and then let's go. Okay, I already have this open. So I think if I refresh this, yeah, as you can see, it's working live. So yeah, it's actually a very good system that they're actually working on. I believe it's going to be a big, as you can see, he has finished deploying, and then ticks green. I guess if there's any error, you would have actually seen the error, and then see how you can actually maybe point out the errors and everything. So I think it's actually a very big add-on to Fast API system. So you can actually deploy your system to the cloud, and then you can easily share it, and then you can even, I don't know if, okay, this is just their own system. I guess it's going to have its limitations with time. So you can build a major project on it, and then decide to actually be querying it and running your postman, and then checking it out, and then knowing that your API is working very well. So you can easily sign up, and then join the wait list if you have not done that, and then get your hands, be among the first that will actually try this awesome project, and then see how it goes. Yeah, I'm happy to share this with you. There's no major updates, and there's no major things that they have here. I think they have some integration. They have Nino, they have Redis Cloud. They have, so you can actually connect your database. I think they say Hugging Face is coming soon, so you can actually integrate an AI model to it. And this is the database they already have all integration, then the AI models and everything. So it's still a young project that you could actually look at. I think if you open this, we actually show you the log file, and then build a started build and everything. And then if you click on this, it will take you to this URL here, and then that's just it. You can create another app, and then work with it. This is the documentation. I best this is stack community, so you can join this stack community if you have the opportunity to do so. I'll join that later. And then yeah, it's still a simple interface. Everything is being able to be located. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy this. I'm probably going to enjoy this, and I hope you too will enjoy it. Yeah, this is all I have for you. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, and give me a thumbs up. Tell me how you are feeling about the Fast API Cloud in the comment section below. Thank you once again, and God bless you.